Ravi Srivastav, how many times have you called Modi Hitler, sir? आपको याद भी नहीं होगा. How many times have Congress leaders, including Rahul Gandhi, Mr. Khadge, called Modi a Hitler? Now, for every comment like that, should there be FIRs?
Pranesh, in political discourse, using this kind of what do you call Hitler or Saddam Hussein or Idi Amin or this goes on. This is nothing new. And if you are talking about Mr. Modi, then the several names have been called to Rahul Gandhi, also a leader of opposition.
Ravi Srivastav, have FIRs been filed? That's my question. I understand that this is all a political attack. It can happen. Parties resort to this to send a message. Should FIRs be filed? That's my question.
Pranesh, this particular video is not only cheap, vulgar, insulting, and misogynistic. My insistence is on misogynistic. You are showing a woman with moustache. To what extent you can stoop low? This is what I want to know from BJP. And I think the Congress should not take it lying down. They have not been taken for quite some time now. They have filed a FIR. Let the Honorable Court and the police decide whether this particular video or meme or whatever you call it is in the good taste. This is the dirtiest, cheapest one.
Okay, so there should be an FIR. Syed Asad Abbas?
Firstly, Pranesh, I don't think it's only the opposition parties have called Narendra Modi ji as Hitler. My dear friend Shehzad Poonawalla, the national spokesperson of BJP, prior to joining BJP, called Narendra Modi ji as a Desi Hitler. Not just that, he wrote an article completely comparing how Modi ji and
Yeah,
Hitler
and which is why the BJP has banned him. He is now in the Congress party. Syed Asad Abbas, this is the heights of the heights of intolerance. Get to the point. Get to the point. Should there be an FIR?
The point, Pranesh, that the BJP is a very accepting party. Today you can call Modi ji I have never called Modi ji Hitler. Adarnya Modi ji ko Hitler bulao, kal aap jaake jam jao. It does not apply only to those people. It also applies to all the corrupt people.
But that's not my answer. 1 minute. Sawal kya hai? Syed Asad Abbas. Khadge called Modi a Hitler. Rahul Gandhi has called Modi a Hitler. They should also be booked.
He has called Modi a Hitler. My friend Shehzad Poonawalla also has called Modi a Hitler.
Yeah, so book Shehzad also.
No, I will
book
not do
Rahul
that.
Gandhi, Khadge and Shehzad. Put them in the same cell.
Not do that. The fact of the matter is, Pranesh, that the fact is duplicity और hypocrisy की भी सीमा होती है.
और emergency की सीमा नहीं होती है. 75 से 2025 तक चला ही आ रहा है emergency. Emergency की सीमा होती है. Where will you draw the line? Nikhil?